Hello, friends. Very warm welcome to my YouTube channel. Friends, there is a very good news for ex-students of Delhi University that Delhi University in its executive council, on executive council meeting held on 28th January 2022 has decided to give one chance to the ex-students who could not complete their degree within the span period. So Delhi University has decided to celebrate its centenary year commencing from 1st May 2022, and this will conclude on 1st May 2023. So there are certain guidelines. These guidelines were uploaded by Delhi University on 28th April 2022. So friends, in this video, I would like to discuss all these guidelines. The very first point is there are 8 points in the guidelines. The very first point is the undergraduate and postgraduate students who have completed their coursework and statutory requirement prescribed for the completion of the course and have essential repeat, that is ER, or failed as per the final year mark sheet. ER can be in any semester or year, shall be considered for this centenary chance. So friends, the very first point is who is eligible to avail of this centenary chance. Friends, any person who was doing undergraduation or post-graduation and who has not been, clear his or her exams. But they have completed their coursework and they have met all statutory requirements which were prescribed for the completion of the course. But they have got ER or failed as per the final year mark sheet. So friends, this ER can be in any semester or year. So these persons, will be entitled to avail of this centenary chance. And now the second point is, apart from this UG and PG students, all the students who were pursuing professional courses like CA, CS, ICWA, who have completed their coursework and statutory requirement prescribed for the completion of the course and have essential repeat, ER or failed as per the final year mark sheet. ER can be in any semester or year, shall be considered for this centenary chance. But the condition here is that regulatory body governing the respective professional courses must have given the permission. So this is a condition which has been attached. So friends, I hope that these 2 points which I have discussed till now must be very, very clear to all the concerned students. So the very third point is students can appear for maximum up to 4 papers. How many papers the students have been allowed to appear? If students belong to the annual mode, and this maximum papers will be 4. And if they belong to the semester scheme, then in that case they can appear, because then the students have 2 semesters in a year. So then they can appear up to 8 papers. The maximum limit has been laid down. In case of annual mode, this is 4, and in case of semester mode, this is 8 papers. And now the fourth point is regarding scheme of examination. So what will be the scheme of examination? Friends, you all know scheme of the examination sometimes keeps on changing. So there are certain amendments which are made in the scheme of examination. So whatever scheme of examination was prevalent or applicable at the time of admission in the course, whenever they sought admission to whatever scheme of examination they belonged, the same scheme of examination shall be applicable on them. Okay. And now B point is the centenary chance shall be conducted only for theory and practical examination and not for internal assessment. You all know, friends, every paper has got internal assessment part. So this centenary chance will be given to the students only for theory and practical examination, but it will not be given for internal assessment. And moreover, these now the question is when these examinations will be conducted. Now, tentatively, they'll be conducted in the month of October 2022 and March 2023, and it shall be conducted through physical mode only. So this has been decided that these exams, the chance will be given to conduct the examination in the physical mode only. Now, moving ahead, friends, the fifth point is, so there are certain requirements which are to be met by such students. So there are certain documents or details which are to be submitted by the students. So if the students they fail to provide these details or documents which have been asked for, then it will lead to non-consideration of his or her candidature in the centenary chance examination. Further, it will entail no right for the students to claim any relief in any forum on this count. So students will not be having any right. Such students, defaulters, will not be having any right to contact any authority because their grievances will not be heard. The point number 6 is examination fee for the centenary chance examination shall be rupees 2000 per paper. So point number 6 is regarding the examination fee for the paper. So for this chance, the fee will be rupees 2000 per paper. So the portal will be open for registration of the industry students for the students with effect from 1st May 2022. So friends, such students will have to get themselves registered, and the portal for the registration will be opened for the students, for interested students with effect from 1st May 2022. And one additional point, eighth point, I would like to discuss with you friends. MPhil and PhD students shall not be considered for this centenary chance. So friends, remember this chance will only be given to UG and PG students, but MPhil and PhD students will not be considered for this centenary chance. So friends, I have explained all the 8 points given in the notification which was uploaded on 28th April 2022. I hope each and every point must be very clear to all of you. If you have any doubt, you can always write in the comment section. I will reply at the earliest. So friends, try to get yourself registered at the earliest and appear for the examination, and try to complete your degrees. All the best for the examination, and I hope that you will avail of this chance and you will complete your degrees and will be placed in the jobs on the basis of degrees. Okay friends, it is all about today. We will stay connected. Goodbye.